Hey guys, my name is Elijah. So, how to lock profile on Crunchyroll? As you can see, when I go to switch my profile and manage my profiles and try to manage profile, I don't see any lock option as it's available on Disney, Netflix or HBO Max. Why is that? Currently, Crunchyroll does not have a profile lock feature like a PIN or password to prevent other people on the account from clicking into your specific profile. While they recently introduced multiple profiles, they haven't yet added the security layer that services like this Netflix or Disney use. So what you can do is you can't lock the profile itself, but you can use content restrictions to keep younger users out of mature content on their profiles. Here's how to do it if you want. And also there are some limitations such as no PIN. So there is nothing stopping someone from simply switching to your profile to see your watch history or queue. So the private workaround is if you are sharing an account, just clear your history. I will show you right now how to do this. After watching, go to Crunchyroll, open up your profile, click on your profile picture, go to history, and then clear history right here, and press clear history. Now it is private and the shared account will not see what you have watched. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.